Anderson.
Here.
Bueller. 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 Bueller.
He's sick. My best friend's sister's boyfriend's brother's girlfriend heard from this guy who knows this kid is going with the girl who saw Ferris pass out at 31 Flavors last night. I guess it's pretty serious.
Thank you, Simone.
No problem whatsoever.
Fry. Fry.
I love you. I think we should make a commitment.
Okay. But first things first, though.
Oh, cut it out! Joe, come on. I'm telling you, I think we ought to get married.
Bill, if you say that word one more time to me, I'm gonna scream.
Married.
Holy shit!
Listen, Mr. Barbosa. Nothing happened.
Che sta passando?
Listen, I promise you.
Ma che fai? Chiama la polizia!
Straighten the fuck out!
Be advised, we have lost visual.
Fuck! He's right on us! We're fucking dead!